Kitty and cat bent out of shape. See all the shapes? We have a circle, diamond, trapezoid, rectangle, triangle, oval, parallelogram, square, and heart. All right, kitty and cat bent out of shape. Cat, time for a bath. Cat, where did the cat go? Seems like the cat doesn't want a bath. Where's cat? Can you see cat in this picture? Where do you think cat's hiding? Is the cat behind the pot? Or behind the blender? Where do you think cat's at? Go ahead and lock in your guess. Got it? There's cat. Cat was hiding behind the cereal box in a rectangle shape. Where's cat? Do you think cat is hiding behind the plant? Or behind the curtain? Where do you think cat's at? All right. There's cat. Cat was behind the flowers in a triangle, 3 sides. Okay. Where's cat? Is cat behind the plants or behind the fishbowl? Where's cat? Ready? There's cat. Cat is in a square, hiding behind the yarn. All right. Where's cat? Where do you think cat is in the picture? Ready? Okay. There's cat. Cat is in a circle, oval, one of those. All right. Where's cat? Is cat behind the lamp or the books? Where is cat? Ready? Got your guess locked in? No, you got it. All right. There's cat. He's a parallelogram, which is a really funny shape. All right. Where's cat? Do you think cat is behind the shoes or behind the leaf that is a heart? Behind the kite? Where's cat? Ready? Cat wasn't behind the heart-shaped leaf. So where do you think cat is now? All right. Found you. Time for a bath. Cat is in a diamond shape. All right. Cat looks so unhappy. He's getting a bath in a trapezoid container. He looks so grumpy. All right. Kitty, puppy, time for a bath. And look, they're in a heart shape. The end.